Based on your point of view, the capacity of a person can't be seen in the interview. Many employees have anxiety when it comes to the interview but are good at the actual job. Hey everyone, this is Tina Shawson. You ask, and now it's time for me to answer your question. Welcome to Ask Tina Shawson. Not all applicants are very articulate or can present themselves very well in a face-to-face conversation. Kasi jitters ang nauuna. And I think this is where the value of the CV is there. And then the value of psychological tests is there. May mga projective tests na ginagamit ng ibang mga organizations, di ba? And then reference checking is also there. So that hindi lang siya doon sa data point ng paano siya sumagot sa interview. Some organizations even give aptitude tests because the idea of the organization is sometimes mas magaling siya sa written. Now, if it is a higher level position, mas may weight ang interviews. Because ang assumption natin in a higher level position, he can actually articulate.